Welcome. If you're looking to manage your notifications on X, particularly to disable those pesky photo tag alerts, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off photo tag notifications on your Android device. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have the X app open on your Android device. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of your screen where you will find your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up your account menu. Next, you'll want to select Settings and Support. This option contains all the configurations you'll need to manage your account effectively. Once you've done that, tap on Settings and Privacy to access more detailed settings. Keep going by tapping on Notifications. In this section, you will find various notification options that you can customize to your preference. Now, look for Preferences and give that a tap. This will lead you to a more specific set of notification controls. Here, you'll want to click on Push Notifications. This is where you can manage your real-time alerts. Under the section labeled Related to You and Your Posts, you'll see an option for photo tags. To disable notifications for photo tags, simply unmark it. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled photo tag notifications on X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more peaceful experience on X.